What would you do if your family was starving, your future was gone, and the only thing you had left was an idea nobody believed in? This is not a story about a superhero, no power, no money, no connections, just a boy and a problem too big for anyone to solve. Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I will share you a small little African boy story. So let's get started. In a small village in Africa where drought had stolen everything, crops failed, food disappeared, and hunger became a daily reality, lived a 13-year-old boy named William. He was not a genius, he was not a rich, he didn't even have the privileges to stay in school because his family could not afford it anymore. But William had something most people didn't, curious mind and a refusal to give up. Every day he watched his parents struggle selling whatever they had just to survive. His little sister cried from hunger and his father slowly lost hope. But William, he kept searching for a solution. One day he sneaked into a small library, a place he technically was not allowed to be in anymore, and there he found a book about energy, windmills, and electricity. At first, it made no sense, but page by page, idea by idea, he started to believe in something crazy. What if I can build a windmill and bring water back to our land? Sounds impossible, right? That's exactly what everyone else thought. His friends laughed, villages mocked him, even his own father doubted him. Stop dreaming, they said, but William didn't stop. He started collecting junk, old bicycle parts, broken machines, scraps of metal. To others, it was trash. To William, it was hope. Day after day, failure after failure, he kept trying. Until one day, standing in the middle of that dry, hopeless land, his homemade windmill started to spin. At first, slowly, then faster, and suddenly, water started pumping from the ground. That moment changed everything. And slowly, their crops started growing again, and the same people who once laughed now stood in silence. A boy with no resources, no support, just an idea saved his entire village. He didn't just build a machine, he saved his family, he saved his village, and mostly important, he proved something powerful. Moral of the story: you don't need money, power, or sport to change your life. Sometimes all you need is one idea and change the courage to believe in it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Please subscribe our channel.